Hey there, welcome to our video on the power of meditation. Today, we're going to take you on a journey that will keep you on the edge of your seat until the very end. But first, let's talk about how to meditate properly. The basics. To meditate properly, you need to start by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit. You can sit on the floor, on a cushion, or on a chair. Just make sure your spine is straight and your body is relaxed. You can also close your eyes or keep them open, whatever feels most comfortable for you. The breath. Next, focus your attention on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air flowing in and out of your body. You don't need to try to control your breath, just observe it. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. The mind. As you meditate, you may notice that your mind starts to wander. That's okay, it's perfectly normal. Just observe your thoughts and then gently bring your attention back to your breath. The more you practice, the easier it will become to stay focused. The duration. When you're first starting out, it's best to meditate for just a few minutes each day. Then gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Some people meditate for 10 minutes a day, while others meditate for an hour or more. The benefits. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. After exploring how to meditate properly, we can finally reveal the benefits. Regular meditation can reduce stress, improve focus, and even boost your immune system. It can also increase feelings of calm and inner peace. So, there you have it. The basics of how to meditate properly. We hope this video has been helpful and that you're inspired to give meditation a try. Remember, the benefits are real, and the practice is simple. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you not subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe and share this informative video with your loved one, and don't leave without like. We'll see you in the next video.